औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे तलबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों, हमने लॉ एंड सोशल जस्टिस जो हमारा चैप्टर चल रहा था उसके 5 क्वेश्चन ख़त्म किए। आज हम मज़ीद उसके बाकी क्वेश्चन हल करने जा रहे हैं। छठा क्वेश्चन है इसका, इमेजिन yourself to be a worker working in a chemical factory which has received orders from the government to move to a different site 100 kilometers away from the present location. Write about how your life would change. Read out your response in the classroom. इसका आंसर है, if my factory where I am working moved to different site 100 kilometers away from the present location, my life will be affected adversely. Either I have to lose the job or I have to shift my family near the factory. Near the factory, problem of pollution will come up. Again, the problem of safety conditions of workers will remain unchanged. सातवां क्वेश्चन है इसका, write a paragraph on the various roles of the government that you have read about in this unit. इसका आंसर है, modern state is a welfare state. On the basis of unit 5, the government performs the following functions. Number 1, public facilities related to people's basic needs. One of the major functions of the government is to ensure that public facilities are made available to everyone. Number 2, the government should provide safe drinking water to all. Number 3, the government should provide all facilities which are needed for the protection of the health of the people. Number 4, the government should provide proper sanitation facilities. Number 5, the government should enact laws and implement them properly to achieve social justice. 6, the government should enact minimum wages act for workers. Number 7, the government should ensure proper safety measures, good working conditions, etc. Number 8, the government should enact new laws for the protection of environment. Number 9, the government is responsible for setting up laws and procedure that can check pollution, clean rivers, and introduce heavy fines for those who pollute the environment. आठवां क्वेश्चन है इसका, what are the sources of environment pollution in your area? Discuss with respect to air, water, and soil. What are the steps being taken to reduce the pollution? Can you suggest some other measures? The major sources of environmental pollution are as follows. Number 1, the burning of fossil fuels gives out smoke which is released into the atmosphere. The use of fossil fuels in automobiles like buses, cars, etc. leads to air pollution as these emit toxic gases. Number 3, water pollution is a major environmental problem. Large sources of pollution are liquid wastes which flow from industry, agriculture, or human wastes. Number 4, air pollution is caused mainly by the toxic smoke which comes out of the industries. Steps taken to reduce the pollution. The Supreme Court had ordered all public transport vehicles using diesel were to switch to compressed natural gas, that is CNG, to adopt cleaner technologies and possesses in factories, the government has to encourage and support factories to do this. Now, नवा क्वेश्चन है, how was environment treated earlier? What has been the change in perception? Discuss. There is much change regarding environment in the present as compared with past. The people were not conscious about the environment in the past, but now they are conscious about environment and taking steps to protect it. 10वां क्वेश्चन, what do you think the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman is trying to convey in this cartoon? How does it relate to the 2016 law that you read about on page 123? कार्टून है ये. इसका आंसर है, इन दिस कार्टून फेमस कार्टूनिस्ट R.K. Lakshman is trying to convey to the people to protect children from labor. In October 2006, the government amended the Child Labor Prevention Act, banning children under 14 years of age from working as domestic servants or as workers in dhabas, restaurants, tea shops, etc. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in any factory, mine or other dangerous employment. हाँ, और 11वां क्वेश्चन इसका जो है वो है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, जिसको हम बोलते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, जिसके ऑप्शन दिए इसके 4 ऑप्शन होते हैं और इनमें से एक सही ऑप्शन चुनना होता है. पहला जो है वो है, द वर्ल्ड्स वर्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेजिडी टुक प्लेस एट बॉम्बे, चेन्नई, भोपाल, जयपुर. इसका सही जवाब है भोपाल, जो कि वहाँ पर वो गैस ट्रेजिडी हुई थी. व्हेन भोपाल गैस ट्रेजिडी टुक प्लेस, 2 December 1984, 10 March 1990, 17 October 1992, डी है 19 May 1996. इसका सही ऑप्शन है 2 December 1984. तीसरा है, विच अमेरिकन कंपनी वाज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर भोपाल गैस ट्रेजिडी? ए फोर्ड, बी पेप्सी, सी विप्रो, डी यूनियन कार्बाइड. इसका सही ऑप्शन है डी यूनियन कार्बाइड. चौथा है, इन भोपाल ट्रेजिडी हाउ मैनी पीपल डाइड? इसके ऑप्शन है ए 8,000 पीपल, 50,000 पीपल, 10,000 पीपल, 25,000 पीपल. इसका सही ऑप्शन है 8,000 पीपल. नंबर 5वां, हु इज़ रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ सेफ्टी लॉज? इसके ऑप्शन है ए स्टेट, गवर्नमेंट, नेशन, जुडिशरी. सही जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन है गवर्नमेंट. छठा, हु कंट्रोल्स द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ प्राइवेट कंपनीज बाय मेकिंग, एनफोर्सिंग एंड अपहोल्डिंग लॉज? ऑप्शन हैं पीपल, जुडिशरी, सोसाइटी, गवर्नमेंट. इसका सही ऑप्शन है गवर्नमेंट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग राइट इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ द राइट टू लाइफ? राइट टू इक्वालिटी, राइट टू फ्रीडम, राइट टू हेल्थ, नन ऑफ द अबव. इसका सही ऑप्शन है राइट टू हेल्थ. 8वां जो है वो है, बेगार हैज़ बीन बैन्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अंडर. ऑप्शन है आर्टिकल 21, आर्टिकल 22, आर्टिकल 23, आर्टिकल 24. इसका सही ऑप्शन है आर्टिकल 23. फिर है इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. पहला जो है वो है, द वर्ल्ड्स वर्स्ट गैस ट्रेजिडी टुक प्लेस इन, वो है भोपाल. भोपाल गैस ट्रेजिडी वाज टुक प्लेस ऑन 2 December 1984. थर्ड, in Bhopal gas tragedy almost 8,000 people were died. American company named Union Carbide was responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy. पांचवा है dash is an individual who buys goods for personal use. इसका है सही consumer is an individual who buys goods for personal use. बच्चों इस तरह से हमारा जो ये चैप्टर लॉ एंड सोशल जस्टिस था इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ। इंशाल्लाह कल मैं और एक मौजू लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हो जाऊंगा। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।